So you may be wondering which option then suits your needs. Well, it is important to understand the difference between them before deciding which one suits your needs. You see, fixed deposits have a fixed tenure and you cannot withdraw your money without before the maturity date. This means that if you invest in a fixed deposit for 1 year, then need the cash after 6 months, you will not be able to withdraw it prematurely without penalties. But mutual fund, on the other hand, has a flexible tenure and you can withdraw your money anytime without penalty or tax implication. So, who should invest in mutual funds? If you're a person investing for the long term and you are willing to take risks, then mutual funds are the best option. If you want to diversify your portfolio and get better returns, then mutual funds are the best options. Mutual fund also allows investors to invest in stocks and bonds and have exposure across equity and debt markets through one investment instrument. So if you want to invest in a particular sector or theme such as healthcare or education, then mutual fund also offer more flexibility. With fixed deposit, on the other hand, investors can choose only one sector out of many available sectors being offered by different banks and financial institutions. So when should you invest in fixed deposit? When you invest in a fixed deposit, the money is locked for the specified period of time. So you don't want to invest the money that you'll be needing soon. If you do and have any urgent need to withdraw money before the maturity date, then it will attract some penalty or interest rate deduction. However, in the case of mutual funds, there are no restrictions on when you can buy and sell units.